how to create a project in the platform. So the first thing to do is to log in your profile and then to click on create a project. You will be redirected to a new page containing different sections. The first section is to define the title and to give a short description of your project. The second one is to make a more detailed description of your project, and it works as a text editor, so you can always edit the content. In the third section, you have to choose the skills of your project. This is a very important step, as this will help participants to know how can they contribute to your project, and also the platform will be able to suggest your project to participants whose skills match your project skills. And finally, the milestones. So you have to set the final goal of your project and then try to think of the steps that you will take to reach this final goal. There are some steps that are proposed to you by default, but you can always add new ones by clicking on add a new milestones. And then you are ready to save your project, and it will be automatically generated in the platform. It is important that you know that you can always modify your project and the description of your project in the platform. For this, when you log in your profile, if you scroll down your dashboard, you will find different tags, and if you click on the projects tag, you will see all the projects that you created. So if you click on on the project that you created and you click on the settings icon, you are redirected actually to the page of your project, and here you can edit the logotype, you can edit the description, you can edit the skills, you can edit everything. And also here, in case somebody joins your project and you want to give this person an administrator role, you can also do it here. So in my project, for example, there's Gaspar, Ozan, and me, and I can choose the role that I actually want to give to any of us. I can add new members to my project. I can remove members, so I can manage the members from my project page. I hope this tutorial was useful for you, and if you have any question, do not hesitate to send it to contact@epidemium.cc.